So starting off first, the image quality. The VX30M Ultra features an 8.42 megapixel 1/1.8 inch CMOS sensor and supports up to UHD 4K at 60 frames per second over HDMI. Through USB, you can output up to 4K 30 frames per second, and through the built-in 3G SDI connection, you can output up to 1080p 60 frames per second. The result is a sharp, detailed image with smooth motion and solid low light performance thanks to its high signal to noise ratio sensor design. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people will be interested in this PTZ camera, the AI auto tracking system. The VX30M Ultra includes 3 intelligent tracking modes. First is the presenter mode, which tracks a single person and keeps them in frame as they move around the room. Second is an auto framing mode designed for multiple people. The camera automatically adjusts framing to keep everyone in the shot. And third is the zone tracking, which is especially useful for presentations, houses of worship, classrooms, and conference rooms. With the zone tracking, you can divide a room into multiple custom zones, for an example, A, B, and C, and D, with each zone linked to a preset camera position. So as the presenter moves into a specific zone, the camera automatically recalls the assigned preset, creating smooth and professional camera movements without needing an operator. What's really nice is that all of these tracking settings are highly customizable through the camera web interface. You can even select whether the camera tracks a full body, half body, close-up shot, or create custom framing preferences. You can even choose where the track subject appears in the frame, either centered, aligned to the left, or aligned to the right, which is great for presentations where you want room on screen for graphics or slides. You can also define the initial tracking position, enable or disable tracking, adjust close-up image proportions, configure tracking zones, and customize how the AI responds to movement throughout the space. So moving along onto the zoom performance, this camera features a powerful 30x optical zoom lens combined with an additional 16x digital zoom. That gives you incredible reach for large auditoriums, conference halls, churches, sports facilities, and event venues. And despite that long zoom range, you still get a wide 66.7-degree field of view when zoomed out, making it flexible enough to capture both wide room shots and tight close-up shots from a single camera position. As far as the connectivity, it's another area where the VX30M Ultra really stands out. On the back of the PTZ camera, you will find an HDMI output, 3G SDI output, USB 3.0 output, and an RJ45 network connection for IP streaming and control. For modern production workflows, Tenveo has integrated NDI HX3, allowing low latency video transport across your network without needing dedicated video cabling. The camera also supports an impressive list of professional protocols, including NDI HX3, Dante AVH, SRT, RTMP and RTMPS, RTSP, ONVIF, TCP, IP, HTTP, DHCP, multicast, and 3D for virtual production and AR workflows. And another awesome feature that's definitely worth highlighting is the camera's built-in recording capability. Unlike many PTZ cameras that rely entirely on external hardware for recording, the VX30M Ultra allows you to record directly from the camera itself. You can simply connect a USB flash drive or an external SSD to the camera USB port, then enable recording through the web-based user interface. This can be incredibly useful as a backup recording for your live stream and special events. For an example, if your streaming computer crashes, your network connection drops, or your recording software encounters an issue, you'll still have a copy of the event saved directly from the camera. Another feature many installers will appreciate is power over Ethernet. Yes, PoE. With a single network cable, you can provide both power and network connectivity to the camera, reducing cable runs and simplifying the installation. And check out this feature. The camera also includes a built-in tricolor tally light, making it easy for presenters and talent to know exactly when they're live. A red light indicates program mode, meaning the camera is currently live or streaming. A green light indicates preview mode, and during startup initiation, the tally light displays yellow before turning off once the camera is ready. These visual indicators are incredibly useful in multi-camera productions and live event environments. The VX30M Ultra is definitely one worth putting on your short list. If you guys have any comments or questions, definitely let me know down in the comment section down below, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Till next time, peace.